latest show, starring Kenty and Jose.
And he sets out. The boat pitched and plunged headlong, the bow digging into the loud water while the propeller raced. Coyle was frightened. Each time he lost the rudder and the boat yawed. In a few minutes his voyage ended. The bow struck like an axe, throwing the stern high. At once a wave seized, threw the boat broadside to the oncoming sea. It broached, capsized, and Coyle was flying underwater. In 15 terrifying seconds, he learned to swim well enough to reach the capsized boat and grasp the stilled propeller shaft. His weight pulled one side of the upturned stern down and lifted the bow a little, enough to catch an oncoming wave that twisted the boat, turned it over, and filled it. Coyle, tumbling through the transparent sea again, saw the pale boat below him, sinking, drifting casually down, the familiar details of its construction and paint becoming indistinct as it passed into the depths. He came to the surface gasping, half blinded by some hot stuff in his eyes, and saw bloody water drip. Stupid, he thought. Stupid to drown with the children so small.
My God, you can feel the heat.
And he proved, thank you very much for that. See, one thing Coyle always is rather a good father. Ooh, we've got a question for you now, comes from Miami.